representing organization called Gramalaya based at Tiruchirappalli. So Gramalaya is started in the year 1987. For the past 3 more decades, it's been the sector of wash promotion. So it was founded by Mr. S. Damodaran. He is having experience of 3.5 decades more in this sector. So our focus in wash for the past 25 years. So wash in particularly we focus on clean water. So protected water was implemented through Washman Committee based at the community level, and related to toilet construction we promoted through Washman Committee. Small toilets which was constructed in the rural area, and in the urban area we managing the community toilets through women's self-help group. With relation to urban toilets, it is sustainably maintained for the past 25 years till now. It was started under a pay and use system. It is one of the successful model. It has been replicated all over India. With relation to personal hygiene, we focus on hand washing. The hand washing we focus through school health program, school children as an ambassador we take it more. With this, another one is menstrual hygiene management and nutrition. So this is a concept, wash, water and sanitation hygiene, MHM and nutrition. That is called Washman concept. We presently focus by Gramalaya. So this is a model toilet technological park where 30 different model toilets are there, which is one of the KRC recognized by Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. So more than 100 NGOs have come here as a replication of these different model toilets, from zero cost model toilet to smart toilet model toilets, biodigested model toilet, different toilet technological school toilets, Anganwadi toilets have been done. So near to the toilet technological park, so we have demonstrated model villages where they can be shown for this purpose, and we implement the project through community-based organization. So every project intervention area we involve community-based organization. Every self-help group, 20 members are included. So the project is implemented through Washman Committee. This is a structure of Washman Committee. From self-help group we form the committee. Then we transfer them IEC activities, information, education, communication. Then we implement the project. Transferring the fund to Washman Committee. They implement the project with the transparency of project. And we do the concession of toilets or any other implementation, hardware component, retrofitting, all undertaken through Washman Committee. So the project implementation and monitoring of the done through committee only. So we ensure 100% people contribution and people mobilizations. And as an exit strategy, we through this committee only we implement the project. So our role is only that facilitation role. Our role is only catalyst role, Gramalaya role. So this is one of the case study through the promotion of MHM activities, menstrual hygiene management promotion. The mother name is Lakshmi. She is living as a poor lady living in Kunnandar Koil block of Pudukkottai district. Her both children are mentally ill children, psychiatric patient. So during the menstruation period, whenever she wears sanitary pad, immediately after half an hour, 1 hour, she throw it out. Because the problem was it was itching, irritation and harmless, so it happened. So nearby the villages, neighbors, they also, it was a problem to them also. So immediately it was not acceptable. So she was worrying about it. So whenever our intervention team, health educators went there, it was a major problem to us. So why reusable cloth pad? As an alternative to commercial pad, we promoted reusable cloth pad. So it is eco-friendly and environment-friendly and reusable and degradable. So that way we have promoted reusable cloth pad. So it also, sanitary napkins are resulted, most of the people are in allergy, dryness, itching, soreness. So it happens likewise. So and also clogging of the drains in the open rivers and air pollutes happen in the rural area. So it takes, as already told, that nearly 500 to 800 years for decompositions. So most of the sanitary napkins also absorbs the moisture from the vaginal areas. This is considered as the softest tissue of human body and leads to various diseases and cancer. It creates problems in reproductive system. There is a chance of a lot of fertility hospitals in future may come because of this problem. Presently also we can see a lot of hospitals on this area. And this concept, this innovation concept is promoted by Gramalaya's founder, Mrs. Damodaran. Because of our past experience from wash to washman concept, so it has introduced reusable, washable, skin friendly, eco friendly, menstrual natural cloth bed. So we buy the materials from Tirupur, 100% pure cotton materials. We manufacture through Women's Self-Help Group. So far we have reached 4 lakh reusable cloth bed from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So we have named as a Feel Free. Now we have renamed as a GeoCap. So environmental protection renamed as a GeoCap. So women SCGs members, they have getting more opportunity by stitching that reusable cloth bag. So this is a unique shape, different from other model, and also have a long lasting capacity. 8 hours we can wear this reusable cloth pad. When the commercial pad we need to every 4 hours we need to change it. It is very comfortable, very pleasant feeling. It is chemical free, 100% chemical free. There is no chemical attached. It is also leak free. There is a wing will be there. It's a button system will be there. You can easily lock with our panties. So also biodegradable, 100% biodegradable. Within 2 years it can completely absorb by soil. It protects the environment. So these are the Women Watchman Committee volunteers promoted in our intervention area of Tamil Nadu. In Ramanathapuram district we have taken these photos. So this is a different color is there. So our founder Dambaran Yasno has displayed the drying of used napkins in the open area. So MHM initiatives as a part of MHM initiative, before that during that wash intervention we declared villages as open defecation free villages and open discharge free villages. Now we are declaring the villages as role model villages. Role model villages is different from ODF villages. In role model villages, 100% of the family members are using the toilets and 100% of the women and adolescent girls are using the sanitary, cloth bag. And we have ensured that more than 600 schools in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, Puducherry as a sanitized school, in which we have promoted that incinerator facilities, manual incinerator facilities, and also MHM promotional activity. So these are the different varieties of GeoCap product. See, that is a regular, it's a normal 4 pieces will be there in each packet. It's a washable one. So this is a maxi little size bigger one. So this is a very soft one, 4 pieces will be there. So this is a panty liner. So it is for uncontended usage that it will be used. So GeoCap period panty, it is attached with the panties. So how to use that we have demonstrated. So this is another case study. She is a nursing student. So she is a poor nursing student coming from the rural background of Tamil Nadu. So she could not afford that normal commercial pad which is costly. So because of reusable cloth pad, now she is happy buying it without support of her parents. So this is another case study. Her daughter motivated this reusable cloth pad. So now mother is also using that reusable cloth pad. So we have promoted different brand ambassador for promoting this on voluntary basis. Sneha Shergill, one of the brand ambassador, and another one is Bindu Bhushan Dubai. He is also National Ganga Mission leader. He is one of the male brand ambassador for Gamalaya for promoting MHM activities, and he is based in Delhi. So way forward, so we plan to promote the support of government, corporates, companies and the CSR, these GeoCap products. Presently, Oracle, one of the corporates, they are supporting Gamalaya for promoting 15,000 reusable cloth pad in Pondicherry, and Bank of America, they are also supporting through their grant support for poor children, girl children in the rural area of Pondicherry, and we can provide more training on stitching of and manufacturing of cloth pad to women self-help group members as a social entrepreneur in future, and we can also, by doing this, we can ensure clean and green India in future. Thanks.